It's starting to get dark out here with the little Zuma. I'm going to show you how to take the clutch apart. It's brand new, virgin's never been taken apart. I'm not going to clean it until I get it apart. Everything looks pretty good in it, which is good. This spring right here is a stock spring. If I can get it out. Okay, there it is, brand new. Okay, as you can see, right up next to the clutch, that spring right there, at that size, is compressed all the way down, okay, underneath all that. That nut is holding it on. So we have to get that nut off. But once you get the nut off, you've got to be able to keep the whole thing from going haywire and blowing up in your face. So we take our Kimco wrench, which is just like that, and a hammer. Okay? Now I don't know if I can do this one hand, we'll try it. Oh. We put it on the ground. Okay? Now I'm going to put one foot right here, and I'm going to put the other foot right there. Then I'm going to put the wrench on just like that. And I'll hold the wrench on because I'll have two hands when this camera is put away. Now all I want to do is break the nut. It's real fine threaded, okay? I will use the hammer and kick it that way, a couple of times until the nut loosens, and I'll know it's loose. Once it's loose, then I come up and I stick it in the cage. Okay? I put it in the cage, I tighten it up just a little bit when it's in here, then I take the nut off right here, this nut right there. I take that nut off by hand, and I slowly turn this out until this part of the cage goes this way. Now like I said, this one is a ZTR. I don't know if they make them anymore. It was a startup company, and I was lucky to get one. I mean, it cost me a few ducats, but it's really nice. Anyway, you can probably get one from Motion Pro. You can get one from, you can get a Honda, or I believe a Yamaha clutch cage. If they make them and sell them, they may not. Sometimes you can buy authorized tools from the dealers. Sometimes they will sell them to you. And then sometimes, as usual, what I would do is I go to a Honda shop and I said, look, I need Honda 50 parts. And they're like, well, we got a whole bunch of tools. We just never work on Honda 50s. People just throw them away. So we'll sell you the parts. We'll sell you the cages and all this. And sometimes you get lucky that way. All right. I'm going to loosen that up and stick it in the cage.